Hi everybody, it's Mark, the family woodworker. Hey, this week we highlight our favorite gangster shop dog, Dash, and provide a progress update on his recent injury at the end of this video. Stick with us. Dash is about 7.5 years old now and still does normal Beagle stuff, including following his nose down to the wood shop whenever we're down there, in the hopes we'll drop something that looks like a stick. He seems to gravitate towards anything wooden, though he's been pretty good about not destroying the furniture projects we finish. I figured that I might reward him with his own piece of furniture like this toy box, but he was like, yeah, so? Where's my stick? I think he preferred his toys to be scattered around the house. I made these coffee table legs on another project, but he just saw them on the grass and looked at me, walked out on the lawn, and waited. I also wanted to do a tribute art project for the boy, but I needed him to sit for a picture so I could use it as a template. But he had other plans, like tear up the floors with a case of the zoomies. I did finally get a decent pick to work with, and also used different colored dowels to make a mosaic of his face. Sometimes we lose track of time down in the woodshop, and Dash reminds us that he needs some playtime too. Dash spotted a couple of visitors out behind the house. The enforcer sleeps. It's too big for a stick. Just before we moved into our new home, Matt and I cleaned up the scrap wood pile on our shelves to make a bunch of cutting boards, and of course Dash had to inspect all the varieties of wood, like this Babinga and Paduke. But when we weren't looking, he had stolen a piece of oak from the floor. I guess it's his now. Coming into the wood shop? Want to help me in the wood shop? You good boy. You want to help me? Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Want to go outside? Yeah? You gotta go outside? Okay. Let's go. Sometimes he just needs to pee. I also tried to get a time-lapse video of some cool clouds that were rolling in, and of course, Attitude Boy decides to jump into frame. I guess when it's a warm, sunny day, you can't stop a gangster beagle from doing some grass rolling, pun intended. But let's talk about the present day and a leg injury that Dash had suffered. About 6 weeks ago, my daughter visited us with her new puppy, and it was a couple hours of zoomies around the house for both dogs, until Dash had launched himself off a 5-step landing, hit the floor, yelped, and immediately started to hobble. X-rays showed that he had torn his right rear ligament, the human equivalent of an ACL at the knee. Our vet told us it would heal with scar tissue over 2 to 3 months, and that he would favor the leg until he could comfortably put weight on it again. It had been a little more than a month, and you can see that he's starting to put weight on it to take a 4-footed stance, and he will use the leg from time to time as he pulls on the leash. All good signs about his recovery. Puppy. Hi, is it snack time? What's most interesting to me is that he just doesn't let the injury stop him. Dogs don't feel sorry for themselves. He just wags his tail and goes about his business without complaint. I think I could learn something from my tough-as-nails shop dog. To wrap up the day, he just waits by his dish to make sure that we didn't forget about his dinner. And then he curls himself into his own personal foof, waiting for the next woodshop project. Good boy. Hey everybody, thanks for joining us. We hope you like our videos and that you subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Take care.